Lawrence Edward Page is an American software engineer and internet entrepreneur. He is best known as one of the co-founders of Google along with Sergey Brin. Page was the chief executive officer of Alphabet, Google's parent company, until stepping down on December 3, 2019. As of March 2020, Larry Page is the 13th richest person in the world with a net worth of $62.6 billion. Larry Page received the Marconi Prize in 2004 along with his Google co-founder Sergey Brin. In this video, we'll be seeing 7 books recommended by Larry Page. I am Jayesh and this is Books for Hustlers. If this is your first time here, Books for Hustlers shares book recommendations of some of the most successful entrepreneurs that ever walked our planet. If that sounds interesting to you, then please consider subscribing. Here's the list of 7 books recommended by Larry Page. Book number 1, My Inventions by Nikola Tesla. My Inventions, the autobiography of Nikola Tesla, is a book compiled and edited by Ben Johnson detailing the works of Tesla. The content was largely drawn from a series of articles that Tesla had written for Electrical Experimenter magazine in 1919 when he was 63 years old. Tesla's personal account is divided into 6 chapters covering different periods of his life in this book. Book number 2, Measure What Matters by John Doerr. Measure What Matters shows how to implement the OKR system, objectives and key results for any team or organization. An objective is a concrete, action-oriented thing that needs to be achieved. Key results are the specific, measurable and verified steps that will meet the objective. Book number 3, The Hard Thing About Hard Things by Ben Horowitz. The Hard Thing About Hard Things gives you an inside look at the tough decisions and lonely times all CEOs face before showing you what it takes to build a great organization and become a world-class leader. Book number 4, The Pleasures of Finding Things Out by Richard Feynman. The Pleasures of Finding Things Out is a magnificent treasury of the best short works of Richard Feynman, from interviews and speeches to lectures and printed articles. The book presents an intimate and fascinating view of a life in science, a life like no other. Book number 5, Snow Crash by Neal Stephenson. Snow Crash is a 1992 science fiction novel by Neal Stephenson. The novel takes place in a future that seems foreign and familiar all at the same time. Distribution of wealth is a problem within the novel, and only a very thin veil stands between the wealthy controlling the rest of the population. That veil is the language, and the novel focuses on how important language can be. Before we see the rest of the books, I would like to remind you that now you can listen to any of your favorite books on audible.com. For hustlers like you, Audible is offering 30 days free trial where you can enjoy any one audiobook for free. To sign up for the 30-day free trial, use the first link in the description. Book number 6, QED by Richard Feynman. In this book, Richard Feynman explains in his lucid and witty style the revolutionary scientific theory that won him the Nobel Prize. Quantum electrodynamics, or QED for short, is the theory that explains how light and electrons interact, and in doing so illuminates the deepest and most complex mysteries of the world around us. Book number 7, What Do You Care What Other People Think by Richard Feynman. In this collection of short pieces, Feynman describes everything from his love of beauty to college pranks to how his father taught him to think. He takes us behind the scenes of the Space Shuttle Challenger investigation, where he dramatically revealed the cause of the disaster with a simple experiment. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please consider subscribing and do check out other videos too. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.